How to add captions to YouTube Shorts automatically. Firstly, on your device, open the YouTube app. In YouTube, to add Shorts, click on the plus icon on the bottom panel. Now select the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Now your gallery will pop up. Select any video you would like to post. Now this video already has captions. Now click on the Done option at the bottom right corner. While the processing is going on, YouTube will add captions automatically. That's why there's no feature for captions on YouTube Shorts. If it's not generating captions, that means that the audio might not be clear or noisy. In that case, you can use other apps to generate captions. For example, you can use CapCut. On CapCut, click on the project or add new project. On the bottom panel, you will see the option Caption. Click on the Captions option. Here you will see the Templates section. You can select any of the template that you like. Now if you don't have a Pro feature, then you will have 3 uses. Hit on the Generate option to generate a caption. After generating your caption, you can also edit the captions. When you are done, click on the Export option on the top right corner to export your video. That's all for today. Thank you.